Let me show you how we can add a created player to the roster on Madden NFL 26. So we're gonna start by going to the creation center, and I'm gonna actually create my own player first. So let's go to players and uniforms, and let's create a player. Now I'm not gonna bother with anything over here. The only thing that matters right now is the position and the team. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna go back and save. So I have a quarterback in Dolphins. So now let's go back to the menu, and we're gonna go to edit rosters in the creation center. Next, we're gonna choose order depth chart. Over here, you might need to switch the position, or maybe even the team, because over here, of course, we have the team on the left trigger or L2, and on the right trigger or R2, we have the position. So in my case, it is already a quarterback, so it's fine. And over here, there I have my player. So I need to switch him to the first slot. Now my player is in the first slot, so I'm pretty certain I should have it in the roster. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.